spent one night at the Hyatt House in Parsippany, Whippany, New Jersey. This was free on points. I transferred points from my Chase Sapphire card. I also do have a Hyatt card, but I'm trying to build up the bonus points, so I didn't have points on that yet. And here we are entering room 207. All of the units appear to be the same, kind of suite-like, nice and spacious. There was like a full kitchen, nice living room, king-size bed, separate bedroom with doors that close. Bathroom had a separate sink area, a little sink. Big mirror, nice lighting. The closet, it was a big closet. They had shelves and they had ironing board, nice mirror. The shower area, no tub, but a shower area, nice big shower area. Separate little cubby for the toilet, but it was kind of in the same area, but it just had a little separate cutout. Two good-sized televisions, one in the bedroom, one in the living room. Nice couch area. Lots of lighting. Kitchen was nice. It has a full stove, a full refrigerator, dishwasher, microwave, coffee service. There's your sink. This was a welcome package because we're discoverists, so we got 2 snacks and 2 waters, which is very nice. Chair for your desk for working. Nice closet here, coat closet. Here's your ironing board. They had a nice pool and area where you could sit in the sun, just going into the pool area. No hot tub, but there was a nice, good-sized pool, some chairs. There's a fire pit area with some nice chairs. It was warm, although it was cool that day, but we didn't use it. Grilling areas here. It was the breakfast. This was the night before, the big breakfast area. This was their little store with toiletries and snacks. The front desk check-in. Washing machine, dryer. They had a little room with that. A couple of machines. There was a room for work. I guess you had to reserve that probably. The parking was weird because we had Discoverist. It was free. Otherwise, it's $15 and it's an outside service, so you had to scan the app and pay. We weren't in a city. I was confused about this and felt that this was kind of nickel and diming. I believe the cost was $15 if you didn't have the level, the membership level to cover it. So I wasn't a big fan of that. There was a lot of parking. We're not like in a city. I don't know why they wanted you to pay for